Here, Gaza Nation. Is it fair to say a true vybz cartel send YouTube up underneath them mother? Why? The big bad song reach a #1 trending so fast. Eh? So why did that happen to the rest of song them where that drop? Because views did dep on them, you know. And YouTube a fool themselves, you know. And a funky around, you know. So I want to know if I told the general send them up underneath them mother and make them know say yo a Spotify a run things. Why them a arrange things. But me tell you now already, you know. YouTube come like taking candy from a baby when it come to Gaza Nation, you know. No lollipop thing not dead about it, you know. If it up to Gaza Nation, you know, to penetrate YouTube, every time with the boss drop a song or a video, we broke the record. You know what I mean? And set brand new record. So you have to know say YouTube, I don't know to where Gaza Nation deal with it. So what I deal with? Yeah, I don't know, joke thing, Gaza Nation buy music and trend music. No joke business not dead about it. The material evidence them dead for sure you. And now some man can show you them Spotify number. You see what I say? No gimmicks thing not dead about it, Gaza Nation. No lollipop thing, not forget each one of who represent on the boss thing. Top respect. Because you know ramp, you know, for sure the support, you know, anywhere at all, you know, man. No gimmicks thing, not dead about it, you know. That's what I say. I want to big up T100, you know, turbo, you know, for them remarkable, you know, project, you know, where them put together, you know. You know what I mean? Real demanding stuff, me I tell you about, you know. No gimmicks business, not dead, man. You know what I mean? The production well orchestrated, man. You see what I deal with? And the point proving, man. You see what I deal with? Yeah, the point proving. No gimmicks thing not dead about it. At the world, it's not a plan. Watch where I go on. Carefully. Hey, a franchise, the choosing one. The 10-star general. You don't know when I come for represent already, you know it go already. A full effect thing. When we load up, aim up, crank up, drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing them. Hey, you don't know a loud explosion about ya. Watch me now, man. A people's champion. Oh you mean? Hey, yo, the Gaza favorite. Most definitely. Watch me. Are the most electrifying man on YouTube entertainment business. Watch. You know what I say? Right about now. Una sister them turn idiot. Eh? Una sister them turn idiot. Because first, you know, we'd make the people them know, say, you know, good youth them, you know, just look at trouble them again, right? And them never stop push themselves till we have to give them a certain type of page. I remember we give them a certain type of page up there, you know, up a tavern there, you know, and them skate out of the place and go hide, you know. And them not stop push it until we have to go circle them up back again. You know what I mean? And you have to remember, each time, you know, we circle them, you know. Remember some girl we send go a page them, you know, there. And some girl I run them down and I do the action, you know, my virgin. The man them just there for just make the girl, for defend the girl them, but the girl them I do the action, you know. That for sure you say them are not compare when it come to Gaza, you know, my virgin. No joke thing not dead about it, you know. Yeah, and then me hear some local blogger run out and the matter about alkaline, this and alkaline that. Listen to me. We don't want to hear nothing about alkaline, you know, because alkaline name cannot match up with vybz cartel name, nor popcorn name. That can't happen again in a dancehall. That thing they played out now. It done with, finito, finish. You see what I deal with? No joke thing not dead about it, my virgin. Because right now, look at Skilly Bang look like him run past them. I see him sign with Stoney and I don't know joke shit. I don't know joke shit. So you can't mix Alkaline name with none of these names that I'm talking about. Because Alkaline, they are road, and all of them, they are road on the same as the next biggest thing. And all know, but nobody no look on him for even sign him. You don't ever hear no big artist want to do no collaboration with him. So I don't know what I really talk about. I remember I'm there on Movado and DJ Khaled. Do you think him could have this talent that these bloggers talk about? Say, because to hear the bloggers them deal with them thing, you know, it's like I worship them man, you know. Them not talk about them talent, you know, and the music them where I bring, you know. So you believe, say, him can have this talent where the blogger them put him on a pedestal with. You see what I say? Listen to what I say, you know. And you know, he marketable. And then DJ Khaled see that and don't want to make money, do no business with him and make money. Nobody no refuse to make money, my brother. I don't know of such thing. Nobody no refuse to make money. So if DJ Khaled now use him and them thing there, that simple means him thing water down. That means him now sparks the way I'm supposed to. You see what I deal with? I don't know joke thing, no lollipop thing in a Gaza nation. You see what I deal with? You know say, oh, Skilly Bang not just come what here. They all Sony say markable. And them can come together and eat food. Eh? Oh, so when you see that, yo, let me tell you something, man. Let me tell you something, man. You don't know what go on, man. Say these bloggers, man, are just them more, them try to use to keep up, man. Just print it on the bag with the marker. That's it. You see what I say? That's all them do. Try to compare. You know what I mean? And use them more. It can't put your wish for the general there. You see what I deal with? Because down to simple look at Spotify numbers, unafraid for sure. Remember say the general there in a prison, you know. And Billboard have to fly from which part them there and go all the way in a prison, go interview my general, you know. Because of two classic Billboard album, you know. Remember, you know, and now just the reggae chart them eating on my virgin. Just remember what type of chart them go on, you know. You see what I did without no international record label behind our back, you know. Good. So no joke no dead about it, you know. So I have to big up T100 for the big production when introduced the dancehall. And you don't know the world boss thing. A natural thing. From you give the world boss bad rhythm, I'm going to kick it up. Wicked. You see what I deal with? But I like the orchestration of the video. You see what I deal with? The whole production, nice. That's something where it come like the whole dancehall fans did a weird pan. You know, see as it drop trending sell off. You know what I mean? And that does to show YouTube say don't play with YouTube. We're not easier, high grade, we smoke, we're not bun, beat it. If we really penetrate YouTube, we broke off the button who press it to make it go trending, man. We stuck it, man, we jam it up. We break the internet, we make the internet jam up, man. We don't know Gaza nation rule already, man. YouTube, stop it. Make sure you clear up them shit there and make these things don't happen again. You know what I mean? You don't want to go against Gaza Nation YouTube, believe me. And many try and fail. The system try to silence our voice and our voice reach the four corners of the earth. And I silent them try to silence it. So I have to say big up to T100. I can't stop say so. You see what I deal with? Start at the year Tony Montana. I close it off now, bududum. What? Phenomenal stuff, man. You see what I deal with? No joke thing no dead about it. You see what I deal with? No gimmicks thing, not dead a Gaza nation. And right now, the local blogger where they talk about alkaline, let me tell you something. In a real life, I not talk in a local fantasy brain. I talk in a real life, in a dance hall right now. COVID-19, some artists can't get for tour and it does slow them down. Because them not that brilliant. Them not sell music. A YouTube most of them depend upon. You see, I deal with no joking shit. No, that's why I think some artists straight for sure them Spotify number. Why you think them hide it? Eh? The music no sparks, it not sell like that, my brethren. No joke thing not dead about it. And right now, to me, Massacre, Governor, all of them youth, the go around alkaline. Massacre, the Governor, what name? TJ, and them youth, the Squash Man, them go around alkaline. Alkaline thing was from 2016, 17. Him not brilliant like, him not do nothing brilliant like what them youth there do, and him not drop no brilliant song like what them youth there drop. Then check it no man, if I lie me I tell man. What am I do with them youth there not do? Them youth there go around them shit man. Already man. No joke not dead about it. Me no know if you not see that. Or no one play a blind eye to that. How long the man there on Movado? Do you think him could have Mark Cable and DJ Khaled look past him and him Mark Cable and them can come together and make money? Nobody no refuse to make money, my brethren. Skilly does come out what day and Sony say, well then he marketable and them can merge together and eat food with soup in it. All them have to do is strain off the soup and eat beer food. And where you see Sony do? And who over UK them come from? Where you see them do? You know, see them put signature on paper. Because them not in a no gimmicks thing. Them are going to put out some work and eat some food. Because it's marketable. You know what I mean? No big artists not even call the man them for no collaboration. You see what I deal with? No joke thing not dead about it. But when you see big song drop, you feel like say, you can't come and say them song they are big song. You know what I mean? You still want to come and call the artist name because him drop 2 local video. A joke thing we not talk about. We ain't talking about that shit, brethren. We ain't giving them shit they no form of highlight right about now. We need them for a drop album. We need for, and first we need to see the numbers them on Spotify that we can discuss about it. We don't know how we talk about it. So we not hide it. Continue hide on a thing, man, because you don't see a broke record. You come like you don't see. Record has been broken. You know what I mean? And let me tell you something. Where you see go on today, you know, that is just to show YouTube. Say, yo, let me tell you something. Don't play yourself in a YouTube. Don't, because we don't laugh with it, you know. And you know, gimmicks thing, you know. Don't play yourself in YouTube. You know what I mean? And don't make people encourage you in a lollipop thing. Make sure you sort out the thing real, right and proper, you know, when it comes to the world boss, you know. I don't know, joke thing, you know. Because remember I said the world boss big long before YouTube, you know. So YouTube can't water down our stuff, you know. YouTube never make Gaza nation, you know. A world boss do that, you know. You see what I deal with? So YouTube can't break this trend where them see her go on, you know. YouTube come here, come see Gaza run the world, you know. You think you can stop that? You better be a part of the hack in YouTube if you know how we live good and peaceful, you know. Because you know gimmicks thing, you know. You see what bududum do? Eh? You see what it do? Alright, Gaza Nation. By the week for start, should say early Monday or Monday evening, we're supposed to see this thing up now the million views. No gimmicks not about it. We're supposed to see this track here up now the million views because so we are roll. We're not gonna laugh with it no more. And this new year we are floor the pedal upon everything. We are gonna floor the pedal upon everything. YouTube, Spotify, I just name them. We're going to floor the pedal upon everything. Because you know what? We're not take no check. Circumspect. We always have the big ninja tech. And anything we pass Gaza border, I have to meet them that are the general, the 10-star one I represent. What? Turbo, big up yourself. Well done, my brother. Excellent craft. What? Gaza way, you know? Hey. There ain't no other way. 10-star. General.